single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello guys, this is Nishant. I have started my new channel called Rock Rider Voyages. Please like, share, subscribe and support my videos. Let's get into the video today. Today I am going to talk about the vibrations on my bike, which is TVS Apache RR310, and also the exhaust note of it. I have recently brought a camera, an action camera, SJ Cam 4000. So I'm gonna fix that camera in my bike fuel tank. Stay tuned for more videos. Take care.